Ilocanja College of Business.
What has life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? They say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical.
Ilocanja College of Business was established for the purpose of providing high-standard business school in Northern Luzon. It aims to provide quality education that will lead to its recognition as one of the best private business schools nationwide. The college currently runs an undergraduate program that offers degrees in Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Management Accounting, Financial Management, and Human Resources Development Management, Bachelor of Science in Economics, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, and Bachelor of Science in Cooperative Management. It begins its operation on May 2, 2011 and classes starts June 13, 2011. Ilocanja College of Business is committed to develop a corps of competent and socially responsible professionals and entrepreneurs through quality management and business education, community-based research, extension, and productivity-oriented programs. Through a continuously improving curriculum, excellent teaching, utilization of technology and scholarly productivity, the college responds to changing students and provides service to its constituencies. Ilocanja College of Business aspires to be recognized among the best regional colleges of business administration in the nation. It is committed to develop capable, confident, and ethical graduates equipped for a lifetime of productive contribution to business and society. The college will produce graduates that are effective and efficient in terms of their specialization, especially in managing and establishing their own business. The college shall broaden access to its programs and strives to attain excellence, responsiveness, efficiency, and effectiveness of its programs in order to meet the increasing demand for trained manpower who will assume leadership and responsibility in business, industry, and the government service. To provide good quality education and well-equipped facilities for the students. To raise productive and effective students in terms of their specialization. Enhancement of strategic competence in terms of management and leadership. Build and maintain a highly qualified faculty and staff and well-equipped proactive organization. Inculcate values and attitudes for the development of responsible and democratic citizenship, a strong sense of national pride and environmental concerns. This is the ICB organizational chart. Here is the financial assets of Ilocanja College of Business. Here is the ICB financial plan. Ilocanja College of Business Entity Relationship Diagram. Ilocanja College of Business contains 10 entities. The suppliers, location, human resources department, jobs, personnel, features, courses, students, cashier, and accounting. Under the entity suppliers, it has an attribute of supplier's ID, supplier's name, supplier's address, product ID, product name, and contact number. The relationship of business to suppliers is one-to-many. Under the entity location, it has an attribute of location ID, lot number, street, city, province, and postal code. The relationship of business to location is one-to-one. Ilocanja College of Business has one-to-one relationship with the Human Resources Department.
Under Human Resources Department, it has an entity of jobs, personnel, and teachers. Under the entity jobs, it has an attribute of job ID, job name, and job specifications. The relationship of Human Resources Department to jobs is one-to-many. Under the entity personnel, it has an attribute of personnel ID, name, age, address, hire date, job specification, and salary. The relationship of Human Resources Department to personnel is one-to-many. Under the teacher's entity, it has an attribute of teacher's ID, name, address, and contact number. The relationship of Human Resources Department to teachers is one-to-many. The relationship of teachers to student is many-to-many. Ilocanda College of Business is an entity courses. Under courses, it has an attribute of courses ID and name. The relationship of business to courses is one-to-many. Under courses, it has an entity subject. Subject has an attribute of subject ID, subject name, and number of units. The relationship is one-to-many. Under courses, it has also an entity students. Students has an attribute of student ID, name, course, address, and contact number. The relationship of courses to student is one-to-many. Student to teachers is many-to-many. Under students, it has an entity cashier. Cashier has an attribute of payment ID, payment name, date, amount received, and OR number. The relationship of student to cashier is one-to-one. Cashier has one-to-one relationship to accounting, and accounting has one-to-one relationship with the business.
Creating database for Ilocanda College of Business. Suppliers form database. The database would show all the suppliers of the business, the supplier's name, address, email ad, contact number, and their product name. The relationship is one-to-many because the business has many suppliers. Suppliers table design view. The supplier's data sheet. This is the relationship of the business to suppliers. Importance of supplier system. Flexibility in terms of the relationship between the enterprise and its suppliers. A more rapid product cycle. An improvement in the service offered by suppliers. Increased efficiency stemming from more tightly integrated operations of both enterprises and suppliers. The greatest advantage of adopting and implementing a supplier relationship management system are the convenience and cost effectiveness it affords both the enterprise and its suppliers. Since a well-managed SRM system would result in the two becoming very closely tied, the speed at which both can coordinate would increase dramatically. Communication barriers would be diminished if not eliminated altogether, and costs would be significantly reduced as well. In addition, less staff would be needed to manage the relationship, thanks to the automation afforded by the software. Location form database. The data would show the location and address of the business. It has one-to-one relationship because the business has only one location. Location table design view. Location data sheet. This is the relationship of the business to location. Importance of location system. Location system provides information regarding the address of the business for the students to easily trace the place where the school put up. Human resource form database. The table would show all the existing personnel, teachers, jobs in Human Resource Department. The relationship of Human Resources Department has one-to-many with the personnel, teachers, and its jobs. Personnel table design view. Personnel data sheet. Teacher table design view. Teacher data sheet. This is the relationship of Human Resources Department to jobs,
personnel, and teacher.
Importance of Human Resources Department System. Computerized human resource system is fully utilized in the screening, tracking, and reporting on application processes associated with filling vacancies. With internet integration, job posting, the tracking of open positions, and the ability to store resumes electronically, human resource managers can fulfill recruitment, screening, and conduct all operations from a centralized computer terminal. The ability to performing searches and track jobs and applications greatly expedites processes that would otherwise be very time-consuming to execute. The financial management module of human resource systems permits managers to conduct payroll operations seamlessly. With software to control salary and wage rates, superannuation contributions, employee performance details, sick leave and annual leave entitlements and incidents, there is no longer any need for a huge payroll division to organize company payments. The automatic reporting functionally essentially means that once the manager setups and structures employee details, the system can operate without manual processing and minimal labor oversight. Teacher Form Database. The database would show how many students a teacher will handle and what course a teacher would teach. The relationship of a teacher to student and course is many-to-many. Course Table Design View and Course Data Sheet. Student Table Design View and Student Data Sheet. Teacher's Query Data Sheet and Teacher's Table Design View. This is the relationship of teachers to students and courses. Importance of teacher system. The teacher system gives relevant information about the students handled by each teacher, what course and subjects they teach. Course Form Database. The database would show how many students were enrolled in every courses. The relationship is one-to-many. Student Table Design View and Student Data Sheet. Subject Table Design View and Subject Data Sheet. Importance of Course System. Course Information System provide capabilities for entering the different subjects intended for different courses, and it enables the user to have the information. Students Form Database. The database would show the student's relationship with the teacher, subjects, and course. The student has many-to-many relationship with the teacher, subjects, and courses. Teacher Table Design View, Teacher Data Sheet. Course Table Design View and Course Data Sheet. Subject Table Design View and Subject Data Sheet. This is the relationship of the students to teacher, course, and subject. Importance of Student System. Student Information System provide capabilities for entering student tests and other assessment scores through an electronic gradebook, building student schedules, tracking student attendance, and managing many other student-related data needs in a school, college, or university. Cashier Form Database. The database would show the payments of the students to the cashier. The relationship is one-to-many. Payments Query Table Design View and Payments Query Data Sheet. And this is the relationship of the cashier to the student. Importance of Cashier Database. Cashiers scan or type the price of items into a computer that calculates a total. They then collect payment for tuition fees, make change, and hand out receipts. Cashiers may also issue cash refunds and cash checks for employees. At the end of their shift, they must balance the amount of money they have taken in with the total service record. They do this to make sure they have not made any mistakes. If the balance does not match up on a regular basis, a cashier can lose his or her job. Paying for company supplies and equipment, preparing paychecks or pay envelopes, or readying cash and checks for bank deposit. Many cashiers work flexible hours. Integrated accounting system. These are the journal entries being recorded. Importance of integrated accounting system. The main feature of an integrated accounting system is that information is entered once and is shared with other modules, including the general ledger. One single information database is used and accessed by all applications. This level of efficiency cannot be achieved by a system that is not integrated, where the same data may need to be entered repeatedly in different modules. For instance, if you use an integrated accounts payable module, you need to enter journal entries in the general ledger to recognize changes in cash, expenses, and accounts payable, a huge burden to any accounting department. As only one set of accounting records is kept, the need of reconciliation between the profits shown by the two records is eliminated. The duplication of works is eliminated. Thus, the cost of operating this system is reduced. There is a cross-checking of various figures in cost as well as financial accounts. This ensures accuracy of figures of cost and financial data. Create reports that summarize key financial details. Automatic manipulation of daily data transactions for financial statements, payroll, taxes, and other purposes. These are the ICB future plans. First, the expansion of the business by establishing branches. Second, to have an online education. And lastly, to become one of the most competitive schools nationally and internationally.
What has life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? They say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. What's there beyond sleep, eat, work, and this cruel life? Ain't there nothing else round here but human strife? 'Cause they say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. Gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. So I